I was sent this 5-in-1 hot air styler and hairbrush dryer, so we're going to go ahead and try this out together. Now, honestly, this is kind of easy to use. I was really worried about with my type of hair and style of it that this wasn't going to end up getting tangled or in a big old mess, but right out of the box, everything feels lightweight, not cheap, and these brushes and bristles and everything seem really professional and high end, so I'm really excited about this. Now, it's also going to come with a travel bag, so you're not juggling loose attachments everywhere. The high-speed dryer works surprisingly well. It dries hair fast without that scorching heat that leaves your hair feeling fried. You know what I'm talking about. I noticed my hair felt smoother and less frizzy compared to my regular blow dryer, which is always a win. The attachments are the real highlight though. The auto wrap curlers actually catch the hair and wrap it without me wrestling with the barrel. And the curls come out soft and bouncy instead of tight ringlets, which is always good. The brush attachment gives great volume and is perfect for quick everyday styling. I also tried the straightening attachment and it left my hair sleek without flattening it or making it lifeless. What I enjoyed most is that it doesn't feel like you're blasting your hair with heat. It's more of a controlled airflow that styles while protecting your hair from damage. Overall, it's a really solid option. If you want a styler dryer combo without spending the high-end price, this is it. If you want a tool that can dry, curl, straighten, and add volume, and you don't want to invest in a super expensive name brand styler, this Hittiona set is a great choice. It's easy to use, versatile, and genuinely delivers pretty results.